an essay on the location, structure, and functions of parenchyma. Parenchyma. It is generally present in all organs of the plant. It constitutes the ground tissue of a plant. Parenchyma is the precursor of all the other tissues. Parenchyma is a living tissue and made up of thin-walled cells. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. Parenchyma cells may be oval, spherical, rectangular, cylindrical, or stellate. The cells are usually polyhedral with 10 to 12 facets. Parenchyma is of different types and some of them are discussed as follows. In water plants, the parenchyma found in the cortex region possesses well-developed large intercellular spaces called air spaces. This air-filled parenchyma cells is called parenchyma. It helps the plant to float in water. Example, nymphae and hydrilla. The parenchyma cells are stored with starch grains or called storage parenchyma. Example, stem and root tubers. In the petioles of banana and canna, star-shaped parenchyma cells are found. These cells are called stellate parenchyma. In green parts of the plant, the parenchymatous cells have chloroplast. These cells are called as chlorenchyma. Its important function is photosynthesis. Describe the location, structure, and functions of collenchyma. Collenchyma generally occurs in dicot stems in two or more layers below the epidermis. These layers constitute the hypodermis. It is absent in the roots of land plants. It also occurs in petiole and pedicel. It gives strength to young organs. Collenchyma is a living tissue. It consists of more or less elongated cells which are polygonal in cross-section. The cell wall is unevenly thickened. The thickening is confined to the corners of the cell. Besides cellulose, the cell wall contains high amounts of hemicellulose and pectin. Collenchyma may contain chloroplast and carry out photosynthesis. Collenchyma is divided into three types: lamellar, angular, and leucinate collenchyma. In the hypodermis of Helianthus, only the tangential walls of collenchyma are thickened and the radial walls of thickening. This type of collenchyma is called lamellar collenchyma. In the hypodermis of Datura and Nicotiana, the cell walls of collenchyma are thickened at their angles. This type is called angular collenchyma. In the epidermis of Ipomea, the cell wall thickening materials are deposited on the walls bordering the intercellular spaces. This type is called lacunate collenchyma.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational content.